Welcome back, YouTube, man. Today I'm trying to do something new. I'm hungry in a mug, bro. Last night was crazy, so I'm in the mood for some pho. I know the best place to go get pho is on the east side of St. Paul. Let's go get that, bro. For those who stay in this area, come check it out, bro. Or if you don't stay in this area, come visit. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. This is what it look like. Not that big of a spot, you feel me? It's a low-key little you dig, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah. Thank you. I usually just get pho, honestly. Pho and spring rolls. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see. Combination pho. Sorry, I don't got my mic, so it's kind of loud. But it's alright. Y'all can do. Oh, man. You don't even understand, bro. I'm too geeked up out there. Probably the second meal of the day, and I'm supposed to be bulking right now. Oh yeah, it's lit. Oh yeah, it's busting, man. Who with the black chopsticks? They killing the game. Where it's like rating. Yes, I know what I'm doing, bro. Yes, I know what I'm doing. So those all talking shit already, bro. Don't come this way. I've been doing this for years. This ain't nothing new to me. And the music here kind of go crazy. Good environment. Well, I just spilled all of that shit. I don't want it. Just like really thick. And dig in for your Russians. Spring roll. Oh man. The spring rolls themselves. These themselves is like a 8, 9. I love these, bro.
And putting it in the thing, bro. Oh my god! And that's what I'm. It's a process. No, I have from 2 like this.
We ain't gonna play with it, fool. Let's see how these noodles whacking. Packed with like 5 different meats. Good to me, bro. I don't know what this is, bro. This a new, like some type of bristle or some. Yeah, like here. Pig ear or bristle? I don't know. I'm gonna eat it still though. Alright, let's try eating that gristle shit. I don't know if y'all can see it. This right here. Yeah, no. I'm not a fan of that shit. That shit tastes crazy. It's like a weird texture. Like that shit's like super chewy. I'm not a fan of that at all. But everything else pretty smooth, bro. One of my favorite people, man. I've been eating it since I was like 18 or something like that, or 19. It's like the coolest lady in the world. She usually helped me at the end. We're gonna see it. I don't finish it. Y'all gonna see. She usually pour everything in a bowl for me and take a little chip. And she's cool people. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that was just crazy. I can't even lie to y'all. I'm honestly kind of sleepy now, so we might go take a nap at the crib. Thanks for y'all watching my channel, man. And again, come visit I Heart Pho, bro. It's worth it. Little dubski, ain't nothing. You feel me? Little chicken. If you working at it, that's easy bread, bro. A little dubski ain't nothing, man. But nah, come visit, bro, cause The lady in there, cool people. I forgot to show y'all her packing in my stuff up. Honestly, it's all good. Until next time, bro. Y'all stay gorgeous, stay cool out here, man. You know what it is. Sorry, my hair. But yeah, man. Stay up, bro. Until next time.